What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Vermel product reviews, and today I'm gonna unboxing a new techs and gadgets. And this is a gaming console. This game console is it's a retro gaming console, and I just buy this in only in Philippines. This is not an overseas, so let's open it up. So without further ado, so let's start it. Let's start the unpacking and then unboxing the box inside. So here it is. So there is the SUP game box. It is a 400 in 1. So let's open it up. There you go guys, there's open it up. So as you can see in here, there is a note that buyers are required to take a video before you open the item. If the items has damage or missing, no video refund. Thank you and God bless. So there's a notice of the seller if have something damage of the item, so they don't they if don't have the proof. So or is it okay? There is the SUP game box 400 in 1 plus, support external gamepad double against. So here it is, and this is the control of this, as you can see. Okay, and then TV out, also the adapter in, power, arrow keys, volume, select, start, reset, and game key. So it is a digital gaming system, 3.0 inch super wide LCD. The console is slim, portable, and trendy. Digital multi-platform device, can play on TV. The backlit function of the screen ensure players can play everywhere with powerful rechargeable battery pack, and also includes an AC adapter in a lithium ion rechargeable battery and 6 hours of continuous gameplay. So let's open it up guys. So I just need to take another video of this because the seller wants to see the item inside if it is not damaged. Okay, let's open it up guys. Here we go. Yes, and there is the item. Oh, there's the item. This is the USB rechargeable, and also the TV in AV out, the user manual, and then also the item. There you go guys, this is the item. Very nice. And how to open this up. Okay, yes, there it is. So where's the start of this? Okay, there you go, start. And oh, nice. It is good guys, this is great. I love the out style, and I love the supportive. So nice. So let's try some games over here. So let's try some games over here. Yes. Yes, okay, that's good. Love it, nice. Love it. And also, how to. Okay, let's. It's so lightweight and compact. Yes, very, very lightweight. Not so heavy. And let's try to charge it. So let's try to charge. And if it's charging. Okay, as you can see, it's charging it up, and I don't know where is the okay, there's a light on it. Yes, you can see right there, there's a light. It is charging, so I don't know where. Yeah, but it is charging. Yes, you can see there's a mini red light over there. It is charging it up. Very good product. And let's gonna try this into a TV. Okay, okay, this is, guys, this is it. It's working. It's working. Yes, it is good. And let's try some game. Okay. Great job, guys. Great job. Love this game. Great job, everyone. Great job. This is great. I just need some. I just need some controller to use this game, and I have to use it now. So I have to find some controllers for this micro, since it is a micro USB controller. So I have to find some controller for this so that I can use this TV as my gaming paradise here in my room. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you again in my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and please support my channel. Okay.